Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be practicing my eyeshadow again. This is not a tutorial, but if you learned something from it, go ahead, girl. So what I'm going to do first is just prime my eyelid with my concealer. That's just something I always do. And that just lightens my eyelid. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm just going to blend it out as you can see. Um, and as you can see, my highlight is lighter, so the colors will show up more. So I'm going to use my Perfect 23 by Nika K, New York. And I'm just going to take this, it's not really like a dark brown, but it's not really a light brown. It's like the in-between brown. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to apply it to my crease area. And then I'm just going to blend it in, as you can see. And so I'm slowly adding this color brown onto my eyelid because I don't want it to be too bold. And like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, girl. I'm just practicing. So, yeah. Alright, and so with the same palette, I'm going to get the dark, well, the black. Ain't no dark black. It's just black. And I'm going to focus that more so to the corners of my eye, the same place I put the brown. But I'm not going to use as much black. I'm just going to like blend it and let it spread on its own, so that it doesn't come out too dark. So I'm just applying it, as you can see, and then I'm just going to slowly kind of drift it into the middle of my crease. So let me tell y'all, the look I'm going for is like not too dramatic, but just kind of like a natural smoky eye kind of look. That's what I was going for. So as you can see, I only did my brush in the black once, and then I just, like I said, I just spread it because I don't want a big glob on my eye. And as you can see, I'm only doing my outer corner and then my crease. So I'm leaving my lid alone because I don't want my lid to be dark. Alright, so now I'm going to take this lighter shade. I wish the shades had names, but they don't. But this is like a little bit lighter than the concealer that I use. I'm just going to use it to highlight my brow bone and also clean up my dark eye a little bit. And it's just going to make it a little neater, a little bolder, you know, a little cuter girl. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline palette. And I'm going to use this shimmery color. It's just like a light shimmery color. Doesn't have a name either. But I'm just going to apply it to my lid like this. Now, what I did not mention was the palette that I used before, the 23 Perfect. Well, the Perfect 23. Those colors were matte colors. So this color that I'm putting on now is actually like a shimmery color. And so this is from my LA Girl Nude. And I'm just going to take the gold. Well, it's like, yeah, it's gold. And I'm just going to add that on top of this white shimmery color. And that's just going to give it like a more natural look. To me, it wasn't showing up that good. So that's why I decided to put on the gold in the LA Girl Nude color. Alright, so now I'm done with my eyeshadow. And I'm going to throw on my mascara. And I'm kind of show you guys how I clean up a little bit. So, because yeah, it's kind of looking all out of whack right now. But don't worry, girl. I'm going to take my concealer, and as you can see, I'm just going to draw like a little angle going from the corner of each of my eyes. And this is what's going to help me clean up my eyeshadow and blend it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you guys finish watching it. And I'm going to throw on me a wig in a minute, y'all. Yes. And then we're going to see the finished look. So get ready. And so this is it. Let me know what y'all think. I think, once again, I think I did pretty good, okay? For me just practicing, this came out really nice. I'm going to practice with some more colors because I got pinks, blues, purples, girl, all those colors. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.